Sister Wives, what is behind Christine Brown's decision to be real about menopause? And how Mary looked when she was with Cody and how she looks now. I will explain everything. Watch this video until end. Hi lovely viewers. Welcome to my 2S Gossip channel. Sister Wives star Christine Brown is known for her refreshing honesty, particularly in the wake of her split from her husband, Cody Brown, in 2021. Leaving Cody also meant leaving the polygamous family that included sister wives Mary Brown, Zanelle Brown, and Robyn Brown. Since setting out on her own, Christine has embarked on several business ventures, including a YouTube series called Cooking with Just Christine. She hosts an Airbnb in Moab, Utah, which she often mentions on social media. Christine has also been known to make income from marketing products such as health supplements. Christine fans can keep tabs on her life and businesses through her Instagram, where she has over 1 million followers. She has been open on social media about her relationship with her new husband, David Woolley, her weight loss journey, and her pain over the death of Cody and Janelle Brown's son Garrison Brown, who passed away in March. Now, Christine is sharing details about recent health challenges, but her motives are questionable. Christine made several Instagram posts referencing her unpleasant menopause symptoms. She describes a world of unexpected twists and turns, courtesy of hot flashes, and tummy issues, and cites mood swings that left me feeling unrecognizable via Christine. Christine illustrates the difficulty of dealing with mental and physical changes brought on by menopause, but her posts also add a positive spin. Christine says of her journey, "It's been a wild ride, but oh, so enlightening," and asks followers to navigate these waves together. Christine is using her menopause experience to relate to her followers and let them know they aren't alone. Seeing celebrities share their experiences with menopause is a welcome change of pace for a subject often considered taboo. As social norms evolve, more public figures are emerging with their own stories to reduce the stigma surrounding women's health. Many women are afraid to speak about their struggles with menopause symptoms, and bringing the conversation to light will make them feel less alone. With Christine candor, it's no surprise that she is embracing the opportunity to relate to others through this uncomfortable time. Each of Christine's Instagram posts referencing her menopause journey includes a tag for Healthy Living Co. The link leads to a page run by Christine, Janelle, and their daughters, Madison Brush and Michael T. Padron. Posts on Healthy Living Co. sound similar to those on Christine's personal Instagram, lamenting physical or mental symptoms and vaguely asking viewers to leave a comment or message for more details. The page purports to support a healthy lifestyle, with Madison and Janelle referencing their certifications as coaches in videos. However, the page is also a way for women to sell Plexus products. Christine is known to promote unsavory pyramid scheme type products, so Healthy Living Co. could be another marketing scheme. The stars of Sister Wives have been criticized for their participation in questionable businesses over the years, including marketing schemes like Lulero and Plexus. Plexus is a supplement that allegedly helps with weight loss and overall wellness. The Healthy Living Co. page makes claims about the benefits of Plexus supplements, including increased energy levels, improved digestion, and now, relief for menopause symptoms. Plexus makes frequent appearances on Christine's social media. Christine posts about menopause are attempts to drive people to the Healthy Living Co. page and sell supplements. The use of deceptive tactics to encourage her audience to make ill-advised lifestyle changes is inherently dangerous. However, Christine and her family page does provide followers with the information they need to make an informed decision. While it is questionable for Christine to use her social media following to drive up product sales, it is also admirable of her to tackle and bring attention to a topic such as menopause. Reality TV stars are often left with few options for income outside of their show. With the details of Christine's life known to the public, finding a more traditional career can be challenging. In the aftermath of their splits, Cody, Christine, and Daniel were open about the difficult financial position they were in after years in a plural family. Christine is ultimately an adult who has to support herself and her family, and it's a shame. She feels the best way to do this is by selling products to her followers. Christine fans appreciate her for her openness. If she wants to spread awareness about menopause in a way that will help others, she should do so without any ulterior motive. Nevertheless, bringing light to women's health issues is a positive thing, no matter what the agenda may be. Hopefully, Christine will learn to engage with her sister wives' fans in a way that honors what she has to offer as a woman rather than focusing on what she is selling. Sister Wives star Mary Brown looks different after her split from Cody Brown and her weight loss transformation. She was Cody's first wife and was a champion of his relationship with Robin Brown. Mary got legally divorced from Cody so that he could get legally married to Robin in Sister Wives, Season 1. Her relationship with the Brown family patriarch took a nosedive after she virtually cheated on Cody and got catfished in the process. She thought she was talking to a man but found out she was communicating with a woman. Cody was unable to move past Mary's online communication and catfish scandal. Their marriage was doomed from then on, and he often disregarded Mary's feelings throughout their relationship. She stayed close to the family, even though her marriage to Cody was failing. But they decided to call it quits during Sister Wives, Season 18. Since leaving her husband of over 3 decades, Mary went on a weight loss journey and has made major lifestyle changes. Mary is a different, transformed woman since leaving Cody and going on a weight loss transformation. Mary looked miserable before she split from Cody on Sister Wives. Despite being his first wife, Mary wasn't treated with respect by her husband. She was never a priority for Cody, and he made that known. Some of the worst things Cody said about Mary include saying he was putting up with Mary and faking their relationship. On their 32nd wedding anniversary, Cody didn't reach out to Mary to say happy anniversary. She wanted to go to dinner with him to celebrate, but he said he was watching the kids and needed to check with Robin. When Mary called him on their anniversary, Cody admitted to the cameras that he needed a reason to be able to say no to going for dinner with her. Despite the hesitation, Cody went to dinner with Mary on their anniversary. Their night started well, but took a turn when he mentioned how they were faking relationships. This startled Mary because she was still invested in their marriage. She said the moment was a big realization that her relationship with Cody was over. I don't know why you even bothered to call and say happy anniversary, Mary. While she was a little oblivious about their relationship, Mary was rightfully taken aback by Cody's comments. She was still willing to work on their marriage and give the relationship a fair shot. Cody hadn't informed her that he had checked out of the relationship, but was acting that way. Mary looked miserable while Cody was stringing her along. She fought so hard for a man who was no longer in love with her. Mary poured most of her energy into their relationship, while he was doing the same with his other wife, Robbie. Oddly enough, Mary looked tired while she was with Cody. She had dark circles under her eyes, in her confessionals, a sign of exhaustion. Mary was always fighting for Cody's attention but often fell short. She tirelessly attempted to show Cody that she was there for him and present in their relationship. For quite some time, Mary didn't see her husband was checked out and invested in only one of his relationships. During the holidays, Mary spent time with Cody, Robin, and their children. She isolated herself from the rest of the family to stay close to Cody. I am still her because I am still trying. 6 years later, I am still here. 10 years, 15, 20 years later, I am still here. It's what I want. The strain on their relationship was evident in sister wives. Notably, Mary and Cody didn't have an intimate relationship, which was the real reason Christine Brown left him as well. Sister Wives has always been one of the best reality TV shows. However, the experience wasn't a show for Mary, it was her real life. It started as an entertaining series that let the audience in on the workings of polygamy. As the show has gone on, it's hurt Cody relationships with the family, including his previous marriage with Mary. Mary has transformed into a whole new woman since leaving her husband of over 30 years. On Instagram, Mary posted a selfie smiling with a light-hearted caption. "Just another Saturday, standing in the Las Vegas sun," she said, adding, "because why not?" Since leaving her marriage, Mary has lost weight and gained confidence. Her face has gotten slimmer in recent social media posts since the split. Living in an awkward place with Cody for so long wore down Mary's emotional and physical state. While it was hard to break up, it was the best decision Mary could have made for herself. She'd been leading a new lifestyle since exiting her marriage with Cody. Most of Mary's social media posts showcase her embarking on a new adventure or sharing the positive parts of her life. She has thrown herself into her business, Ligi Heritage, while continuing to work on other projects. Mary shares inspiration with her friends and followers on Instagram as well. Instead of sulking and mourning the loss of her marriage, Mary has transformed her life for the better. Mary is glowing from the inside out in her recent social media posts. On Mary Instagram, she has created her Fridays with Friends series. Each Friday, Mary goes live on Instagram with her friend, Jen Sullivan. She started the series during the pandemic to cultivate community and give her friends and followers something to look forward to each week. Jen has always been a strong support system for Mary, even when she was married to Cody. It's nice to see her close friendship with Jen has maintained post-split. Mary enjoying life more since leaving Cody and losing weight. Fridays with Friends was a clever way for her to spread light and positivity among her community. In Sister Wives, Mary looked visibly miserable and tired. The Mary on social media is completely different than the person on Sister Wives. Since having time apart from Cody and moving away from Flagstaff, Arizona, Mary has transformed her life. For years, Mary was unhappy on Sister Wives. It was obvious to everyone except herself that Cody was checked out of their relationship and fully invested in his marriage and family with Robin. Since splitting from Cody, she undergone a weight loss transformation and has become a new woman. Thanks for watching this video. What do you think about this video? Told on comment box and subscribe your channel.